Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in System Settings because that's where macOS controls sleep and display behaviors. Click the Apple menu and open System Settings, or press Command plus space and type System Settings to jump there. Once done, make sure you're signed in with an admin account so changes stick system-wide. You don't need third-party apps. The built-in controls handle display timeout and power. Now move to the display and battery section to change screen timeout and related options. You're in display and battery to modify when the screen dims or turns off. Click display, then locate turn display off after, and choose never to stop timeout or pick a longer interval if you prefer. Make sure to check any box labeled prevent automatic sleeping or similar on notebooks when plugged in, because that keeps the screen active during presentations or long tasks. Once set, the system will honor your preference immediately. You can test by waiting or locking and observing behavior. Finish by verifying settings under both battery and power adapter tabs so timeout behaves on battery and when plugged in. Also inspect hot corners and screensaver settings. A screensaver can make it look like a timeout. If your display still sleeps unexpectedly, restart the Mac first. If that fails, reset NVRAM/PRAM because those store power and display defaults. If you need help, run through these exact steps again, and make sure energy-saving profiles from apps or MDM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.